Hello. Right, gonna do a prank call on UK chicken. Put it on the speaker.
Hello, UK chicken.
Hello? How many calories does your chicken have?
No idea, love.
Because, like, I'm on a diet.
I don't know.
Oh. I've got, like, a certain diet plan and I don't really know if I can order.
You can't. The best thing you can have from a kebab shop, though, is either chicken or chicken sheesh meat. That's what I normally have when I try diet.
What's chicken sheesh?
It's little pieces of breast on the skewer, what they grill.
Chicken breast.
Yeah, pieces of chicken breast.
Sounds actually quite nice.
5 pieces is small, and then for a large one, it's obviously double 10 pieces of chicken.
How much are they?
Small, 380, and a large kebab, 490, chicken sheesh.
Is it alright if I just check my diet?
Yeah, no problem, love.
Thank you.
See you, bye.
She ended it. I want to check my diet. I'll blow up this shop. Oh. Should do another one.
Get a number then.
Alright, let me just get a number. Pizza Palace. 01623 55 9401. Yeah.
Hello, Pizza Palace.
Hello, what's the healthiest thing you've got?
Pardon?
What's the healthiest thing you've got?
For the hottest.
No, the healthiest.
Healthiest.
Yeah, like milk.
We do pizzas, burgers, fried chicken, shish kebab.
Do you have do you sell like just tomato? She ended it straight away.
The new one.
Go,
Wait, shall we just randomly prank call the home number?
Yell.com.
I've already got one in.
Okay, some random dude. You need to actually get one then.
I'm just typing random numbers.
Sorry about this, guys. What have you got? No, I don't want football. Stop ringing random ones.
I like it.
Nah, me. Food.
Just call Pizza.
You wanna call Pizza Palace again?
No, let's call. Shall I ring McDonalds and complain about a burger and it's made you sick?
Nah. If you want. 01623.
Wait.
I'll skip it.
Yeah.
01623 5575
Hmm.
75.
Oh.
Good evening, McDonalds. Appreciate that. We're speaking.
Do you deliver?
We don't know.
Oh, can I ask what's the point in having a number then if you don't deliver?
Just in case anyone needs to get in touch with us.
What, like complain?
Well, either complain or if they've got a query or whatever.
What's the query?
A question.
I have a question. What are your burgers made out of?
Fuck.
Good evening, McDonald's. Appreciate that. We're speaking.
Yeah, I have a question.
Right, good.
What are your burgers made out of? Oh my god! No one stayed on phone with us. I think I've got time for another little one.
Go back on McYo.com.
Wait, this one's speaking to me. Oh, so right. The picture house. No, let's not ring Domino's. I like Domino's. You're right. Leo.
No, shall I ring Aldi and actually do a complaint?
Yeah. 0844 though, it's an 08 number.
No, not really.
You don't want that, do you? Why is there something? Lidl. What's this? They only made it 08, so you can't like tell. You wanna do Wimpy? I'll pretend to be an angry man. Right, what it is?
What is Wimpy?
It's like a burger thing, like in bowling. 01623 462 0 0. Oh.
For a long time.
I can't read, mummy.
Speaking, how can I help?
Hello? What is in your burgers?
Pardon?
What's in your burgers? You made my friend sick.
What burgers she has?
Oh, he had a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, 1 second. I'll just get somebody from Wimpy to come and speak to you. Can you just hold a minute for me?
Yeah, that's fine, mate.
Thank you.
I'll pour myself a glass of milk. Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hiya, can I help?
I think My mate, what can I ask? What ingredients in a cheeseburger? Because it's made my friend really ill.
I wouldn't be able to tell you all of the ingredients unless I went and looked it up. But I don't know. Are you sure that it could be anything, couldn't it, if somebody's been sick? I mean, I'm not saying that.
Yeah, it was just weird how it was just after.
I mean, unless you're allergic to something or something like that, obviously I can't see what it would be from anything from here, because obviously, I can't say it's something what anybody's ever phoned up about and asked us before.
It's either that or the glass of milk he had before.
Pardon?
It's either that or the glass of milk he had before.
Yeah, like I say, I don't really know what I can say to you, because we haven't had any other problems with anything.
Yeah.
So unless your friends, might just have an upset stomach or something.
Yeah,
I don't really know what I can
it could
say
be
to
depression.
you. Pardon?
It could be depression.
Yeah, I mean, like I say, we haven't had any other problems, so might just be a bit unwell.
Yeah.
Alright.
He's got diarrhea. Oh my god. Is that it? Yeah. Bye. Bye.